friend. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name's Heather LeBay, and this is LeBay of the Day with me, Heather LeBay. And I have this video of a before and after. I have a set of 8 paintings that are abstract, and I went over them with some acrylic paint and basically circled my favorite parts. And now, as you can see, I'm outlining and accentuating those pieces, making them into characters. I'm using a Posca marker. It's a paint pen. It's acrylic paint, and I really like them. I have a whole set of, I think, 32 different colors, and I really like them. They're versatile. I can use them with a brush, without a brush. I can use them to just create lines or fill in spaces. I can use water with a brush and create an opaque or transparent effect. So I really like them. They're easy to travel, so I can take them with me wherever I go, and they don't take up a lot of room, and I don't have to worry about spilling any paint, and they're really fun. This is not a commercial for Posca paint, but it kind of sounds like it. Anyhow, let's see what else is happening. Germany's fun so far, and yeah, we've been here since December, late December, and it's been crazy with the whole lockdown, and we actually just had another lockdown yesterday. Everything is closed except for essential stores and markets. And there's still people going out and doing things. So we went to Kokum yesterday for the day, and it was so nice. It was like 63 degrees. It was beautiful. And we walked on the riverfront, and I sketched and Tyson read a book. We were sitting under a cherry tree. I actually sketched a picture of us today. It was so beautiful. And we sat there for probably an hour under a cherry tree looking at a castle right on a riverfront, and it was pretty amazing. And I'll finish my sketches at some point, and I'll probably put them all together and do a sketchbook video of all my sketches, because whenever I go somewhere, I'm working on taking the time to sit and appreciate where I'm at, because I find that when I don't do that, there's just so many things, and it's overwhelming, and I try to see everything, and then I don't really end up absorbing the detail of anything. So the best way for me to do that is just sit in a spot, and you'd be amazed how many benches and sitting spots there are in Germany. They're just strategically placed, I will tell you. And if it's not a bench, it's a rock, or what used to be a tree, or people have made resting spots all over the place. It's pretty cool. So now in the video, I'm still just outlining and creating more spaces. I'm using different colors, and as you can see, I used a paintbrush for different areas to accentuate the different the paint so that it wouldn't get too thick, because the acrylic paint pens can get pretty thick. And yeah, as you can see, it's coming along. I'm not sure if you can tell, but I'm painting right now a caterpillar type thing with a human head, and it's kind of doubling as the hair on somebody's head. And I decided there needed to be a lot more contrast, so I went with white for the hair, which kind of changes later on, you'll see. So I know the video flipped. I don't know why it did that. I'm still working out the kinks with the software that I have. It's really a lot to do. These videos are really fun and pretty involved, and the more I do them, the better I'll get, hopefully. And it's been fun. It's been really fun. I want to do it more. I've just been wrapped up with school and doing contract pieces and getting outside and exercising so I don't turn into a elephant while I'm painting every day. And I think I'm going to start streaming on Twitch because I'm already painting every day. I decided why not branch out and connect with other people, artists, or people who are interested in art. So if this is something that you enjoy watching and you have questions, or you just want to watch the real time that I'm doing, it's pretty slow real time, but some people like that, and it's interesting. I like watching artists, well, some artists that do interesting work to me, and see what their process is. So right there, I got too much paint, too much water on the paper, so I used a rag to wipe it up. And added the sun. I have these white gel pens that I love just to add a little bit of highlight. They're really nice. So I think that it ends up looking kind of like a family at a park or in the woods, or I don't know, on a trail. It's kind of a weird piece even to me. But everybody sees their own thing, so I'm interested. What do you see? Like, are you in it? Do you see your family? Do you see yourself? My husband said, "Where's the dad?" I was like, he's taking the picture. So, where do you see yourself? So here I'm just going over and lining everything that I got a little bit of paint over on top of. And my favorite part, the reveal, taking the tape off the edges so you could just see those sharp, crisp edges. I love that part. It's my favorite. And that's all. That's what I have. And I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, if you want to see more like this, let me know in the comments or subscribe. Keep watching. Having any kind of encouragement is enjoyable. So let me know what you think. And I will see you next time.